Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Hilary Duff, Roommates. That's the song we're going to look into, and it's very straightforward. We're going to learn this strumming pattern that works through the entire song. 5 chords, that's it. Let's go into it. So, capo on 5th, that I believe is the best scenario for us. You could skip that and use other chords. That will be a little bit more trickier, so capo is a good choice here. Let's go over the chords. Starting with C, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E minor is next, and we're gonna play open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. We got F, which is a bar chord, so place an index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, add also 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And finally, speaking of G, that's the last chord. We're gonna play 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Now, let's look into the strumming pattern. We have a 2-part strumming, so if you grab the first chord C, the first part goes like this. Okay, so down, up, down, down. So 1 down, a short pause, and up, down, down. Okay, that's the first part, and the next part goes up, down, 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 up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And a couple rounds. Alright, so we're ready for the song. We're going to play the verse now. And you're going to play 1 string round of the following chords: C, E minor, A minor, and F. You're going to play 2 rounds of that. Let's go for 1 round together. That takes us to the first pre-chorus at 25 seconds in, but life is life, I believe. That's where the lyrics. Anyway, we're gonna play the A minor now, 1 string around, G1, C1, and then 1 down on E minor, like this. And a pause after that down, and that's it. The pause, the length of it is as if you would play 1 full string around on that E minor, but you don't. You're just gonna play it down, and then you're gonna jump into the chorus at 34 seconds in. Okay, so you're gonna play first C1, E minor 1, A minor 1, and F1. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, okay? And we learned that already. That's the verse play. And after these 2 rounds, you're gonna play A minor part 1. Okay, that's the reason for us having 2 different parts now. So A minor part 1, G part 1 as well, and F part 1 again, plus a pause. And that is the end of the chords. So the ending here will be down, up, down, down, down. And that's it. So that's the first round. Into the second round of everything, we have the same verse play, we have the same pre-chorus play, and even the same chorus. No changes there. Then after that second chorus, at 2 minutes sharp, comes the bridge part. And what you're going to play here is another verse round, actually 2 rounds. After that comes the final chorus. You're going to play that in the same way as you played the previous courses. No changes there. And that, my friends, is how you handle Roommates, Hilary Duff's version. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped. Until next time, play tuned.